Are these marijuana stocks worth the investment? When we talk about worth or value in the cannabis industry, we have to first identify the time period that we are referring to. For the short term, which is anywhere from 3 months to 1 year, value is difficult to place. Marijuana stocks are notoriously volatile, which means that prices can jump or fall dramatically in that period of time. But when we look at a larger scale, we see that there are some benefits to investing in pot stocks for the long term. The long term, for clarification, is anywhere from 1 year onward. This period of time is a great place for investors to use as it allows for the maximization of potential gains. High-grade cannabis is key for this marijuana stock. The Supreme Cannabis Company, Inc. has largely remained under the nose of most pot stock investors. Despite this, Supreme Cannabis' stock has a lot to offer. The company is engaged in the production of extremely high-quality cannabis. They call it ultra-premium marijuana, and for good reason. Based out of Canada, the company has stated that they want to give consumers the best marijuana for their money. During its past fourth quarter, the company posted sales of around $20 million. This represents a year-over-year gain of almost 500%. This is one of the main reasons that so many investors have continued to view Supreme Cannabis stock as one marijuana stock to watch. But for 2020, the company has stated that it expects revenue to reach as much as $180 million Canadian. Marijuana stock to watch, a different kind of cannabis company. Kushco Holdings Inc. is a marijuana stock with a large amount of potential. Since mid-March, Kushco's stock has shot up by over 150%. Kushco's stock did hit quite a low prior to this as it was impeded by the vaping epidemic. As a large supplier of vaporizer products, the company definitely has had to work to come back from this. In its most recent first quarter, the company reported around $35 million in sales. With this in mind, Kushco's stock's next report could show as much as $230 million in sales for the 2020 year as a whole. The company has benefited greatly from the increased demand for marijuana, despite not selling the physical product. Instead, Kushco offers everything from vape supplies to marketing services and more. All of this has helped Kushco's stock flourish in the past few months.